This video is proudly sponsored by Gamersgate. Download games anytime, anywhere. Visit Gamersgate.com.
The Blackhawk Ultra Gaming Tower from Rosewill is a black, full tower case made of steel. The first thing you'll notice when unboxing this beast is its weight, which is at a respectable 37 pounds. For as big and stout as it is, it's got a sleek look to it with black meshed metal sandwiched by polished steel. Rosewill went ahead and added some wheels to the case, so you don't have to manhandle it every time you want to readjust position, and for that we say thank you. After you're done moving, just snap down the brake clips to keep it from rolling off into the sunset. The side panel features more meshed metal with a 230mm red LED fan mounted by default. The front of the case has 4 5¼ mesh bay covers, and there's even room for Grandpa at the table with the inclusion of a floppy drive bay at the bottom. Below the bay covers are 2 140mm red LED fans, which are the first layer of a 4-fan system that pull heat off your hard drives. The front panel, located on top of the case, includes a pair of USB 3.0 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, mic in, audio out, and your standard power and reset buttons. To pop off the front of the case, simply pull from the bottom and work the sides to pop out each clip holding it in place. To take off the top, 2 screws need to be removed on the back side, and then the top removes just as easily as the front. The roomy interior of this full tower allows for a lot of options. If you believe a massive case like this deserves an equally massive system, the Blackhawk Ultra would probably agree with you. The side panel has the option of installing a whopping 9 120mm fans, and you can even mount a 120mm fan at the bottom of the case if you want to go all out, so it's pretty convenient that the Blackhawk comes with a giant fun bag of screws. Here we should note that if you want to install the top power supply, it comes at the cost of one of the 230mm red LED fans up top. Otherwise, the power supply won't fit. Support for ATX to HTPX, 2 power supplies, and pre-installed with 8 fans, the Blackhawk Ultra is ready to draw power and push heat. Because of the support for multiple form factor motherboards, there are enough cable management holes to make a very clean looking build. You can even ditch all the 230mm fans and install a water cooling system, which the Blackhawk also supports. The 5¼ drives install with a simple, easy to use, tool-free system. Simply unlock the clip, flip it up, slide in the drive of your choice, and lock it back in place. Below the 5¼ bays is a gigantic hard drive rack with space for up to 10 hard drives. The 2-layered cooling system for the hard drive cage is just what the doctor ordered for moving heat away from such a large number of drives. And let's be honest here, it looks pretty cool. As awesome as this full tower already is, it has one more trick up its sleeve. You may have noticed the sloping indentation on the top of the case. At first, we thought it was to hold odds and ends, but upon closer inspection, we found it's yet another hard drive bay. Forget the wheels, thanks for this. It's not just convenient, it's awesome. This case looks great, but it isn't for your average consumer. This case was designed for hot, power-hungry, high-end systems. It's nice to see a full tower case that begs you to use every option. You can see the hardware we used in this case didn't even do it justice. If you want to build a serious rig, take a serious look into the Blackhawk Ultra Gaming Tower.